Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Annual plan for Goa of Rs 2,710 crore approved, 470 crore more than last year. Additional central assistance of Rs 60 crores. Parrikar all set to take over as the president of BJP's administration committee, says Goa still remains the top priority. It's a matter of one window. Tourism Ministry proposes establishment of a single point clearance system for new hotel projects. Stendrick Colasso defeats Anurag Mamal and Neeraj Saripalli to take sole lead in Senior State Chess Championship. And Taekwondo Association President Raju Mangeshkar says Oscar Lewis Institute should inspire others to work for Taekwondo. Now the news in detail. Annual plan of Goa for the year 2010-2011 is approved in a meeting between the Planning Commission and the Chief Minister of Goa. The annual plan size was agreed at Rs 2,710 crores, 470 crores more than last year. It includes additional central assistance of Rs 60 crore for infrastructure and other projects of special importance to the state. The meeting took place in Delhi on Tuesday. The meeting, which lasted for around 4 hours, approved state plan for Goa for the year 2010-2011. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath, Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav, Deputy Chairman of State Planning Board Dr. Wilfred D'Souza and other officials participated in the meeting. Finance Minister of Goa Digambar Kamath presented Goa's annual plan for the Commission. CM mentioned about 6 pay burden on state. He also mentioned about the load on the infrastructure due to the inflow of lakhs of domestic and international tourists. CM demanded an extra central grant for the infrastructure for the proposed national games in Goa. Chief Minister Kamath in his speech also stressed on the proposed Mopa Airport and Dona Paula Vasco Sea link in the state. The extra 60 crores of central grant sanctioned by the Planning Commission includes 35 crores for the national games, 15 crores for sewerage project in the coastal areas and 10 crores for the art, culture and the museum. Deputy Chairman of Planning Commission Montek Singh Ahluwalia appreciated schemes of the government in the social sector. Commission also made a mention of the efforts of the state government making for the security of the tourist. With Bureau Inputs, our senior reporter Rakesh Kanolkar. Opposition leader Manohar Parrikar is ready to accept a huge responsibility for his party. BJP has decided to appoint Parrikar as the president of BJP's administration committee. Parrikar will guide the likes of Narendra Modi, Yediyurappa and Shivraj Singh Chauhan in administrating BJP-ruled states in a better manner. But Goa will remain his top priority.
Administration Committee of the BJP looks after the smooth and improved functioning of the party. This committee deals with the BJP-ruled states in the country. Committee also forwards its timely advice to the opposition leaders at the center. Now, BJP has decided to appoint Manohar Parrikar as the president of this committee. Parrikar is ready to play his new innings at the center, but will only dedicate 5 days per month for his new role. Parrikar wants to give his maximum time to the state politics. If the BJP leaders in the center agree to this option, then he will accept the chair.
कशें आज जनरल सेक्रेटरी बी ह्यो ज्यो पोजिशन्स आसा त्यो दिल्लीक वचून बसचें पडटा. This you have to spend about 2-3 days in a month to get whatever it is done. I don't know the functions and targets of it also.
But I don't think this आता खूप कमी दिस जाता तो तुमकां मॅनेज करून घेऊन जातलें.
नाही तो म्हणजे if there is a responsibility where my presence continuously in Delhi is not required, then I can consider taking that.
Manohar Parrikar will have a very important meeting with the BJP President Nitin Gadkari on 17th April. Presently, BJP is ruling in 6 states and has a coalition government in 3 others. BJP has maintained its position as the main opposition party in 4 states. Parrikar will guide and advise all the ministers and legislatures from all these states. Parrikar has said that he will first check the magnitude of this new responsibility during his meet with Gadkari.
Without changing my headquarter from Goa to Delhi, कितें टायम काडूंक जाय जाल्यार काडपाक तयार आसा. ताज्या नंतर कितें जबाबदारी येतली ती म्हाका खबर ना. ती हांव ताचे कडेन उलयल्या नंतरूच तुका कोट करूंक शकता. I will not quote. He has called me on 17. Let us wait up to 17.
State BJP is thrilled with this new development. State BJP members say, "We are delighted as our leader will participate in active politics on the central level. State BJP will be able to establish more contacts with the leaders in different states."
गोंय प्रदेश युनिट जो आसा ताका ताचो मोठो फायदो जातलो, कारण तातूंतसून आमचो एक मनीस आमची जंय जंय राज्यां आसात त्या राज्यांशी संबंध दवरणारो, बरे संबंध दवरणारो आनी त्या राज्याशी एक सलोखो आसणारी व्यक्ती आमची जर थंय गेली जाल्यार दूरगामी विशेष करून इलेक्शनाच्या दृश्टीन आमकां ताचो बऱ्यापैकी फायदो जातलो.
BJP in center had been trying hard to get Parrikar in the central politics. First, it was speculated that Parrikar will be made the national president of the BJP. Then he was a front runner for the post of Secretary General. But Parrikar was firm on his decision. He was more interested in the state politics. Considering Parrikar's stupendous performance as the former CM of Goa, BJP has finally decided to make him the president of BJP Administration Committee. A senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ganesh Otkar.
Good news for hoteliers. Now there is no need to run from here to there to open new establishment. Tourism Ministry has proposed establishment of a single point clearance system for new hotel projects. The Cabinet will deliberate on this proposal. This is to speed up the process of setting up hospitality infrastructure across the country.
Under the proposal, hoteliers will need to submit only one uniform application for their projects. Committees will be formed at the central and state level for clearance of these projects. At the union level, the committee will be headed by the Tourism Secretary, and at the state level, it will be chaired by the Chief Secretary. Union Minister for Tourism, Kumari Selja, has said, and I quote, "A committee of secretaries has cleared the proposal for single window clearance of hotel projects, and this is to be posed for cabinet approval soon." Tourism Ministry is focusing on the renewed promotional efforts along with developing new products as well as creating and nurturing infrastructural facilities to enhance our existing products. The ministry has also launched a campaign to improve the quality of the Indian tourism product by setting up wayside facilities and reducing the interface of a foreign tourist with just one person at the time of arrival in India. Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar.
We'll take a short break here. Stay tuned for more news.